this one is 6-pole alarm system. All the items here for one complete set. This one is alarm box. This one is adapter. This one is sensor and charging cable. This one is remote controller, and this one is cradle. Now we show you how to use this device. So the first step, we will connect the adapter here, and then connect to the power. And the next step is we connect the sensor and charging cable here. And then the third step, we tear off the tape here. Then we connect the cell phone. Then push it. Okay. Now we could see here it is charging now, right? And we just put it on this cradle. Now everything is done. So now if someone try to take the cell phone away, like if he just do this, it will make it sound. So we use the remote controller, just push it to stop it. And if we unplug here, it will make the sounds too. Yes, and we could press the A to stop it. Okay. And if we unplug here, it will make the sounds too. And that's how we use this alarm device. And this is 6-pole, so we could connect 6 sensor and charging cable. And like this one is 10-pole, so we could connect 10 sensor and charging cable. You can see this, and that's all.